Welcome back to the One Media Foundation, and today we are going to continue our lessons in Dagbani. We are done with the greetings, and we are going to move into vocabs. And this vocabs is going to focus on family relationship, how to say father, mother, uncles in Dagbani, so that when you are going to start your conversations or when you visit here, Dagbon for the first time, you know how to call your family relatives with their proper names and don't use the English versions. In Dagbani, family is very important, and a family is called dang. Dang. So the dang you come from is the family you come from. So we are going to start with the nuclear family, how to call your father and mother and brothers in Dagbani. So in Dagbani, father is ba, ba. So you say mba, mba, my father. Mother is ma, ma. And you can say ma, ma, my mother. Bia is child. Bia is child. So you can say mbia, mbia, my child. If there are many, you say behe. That's plural form, behe. And you want to say my children, you say mbehe, mbehe. If you want to differentiate between your children, whether they are either your son or daughter, you can say Bidebga is for son and Bidebga my son. Bepunga is for your daughter, so you say Bepunga, that is my daughter. And for the siblings aspect, everybody who is older than you is your mbiele, is your elder sibling. You say mbiele, mbiele, my elder sister or your elder brother. If the person is younger than you, you say tuzo. Tuzo is junior sibling. So you want to say tuzo, my junior brother or junior sibling. If you want to be more specific, if it's a man, you say tuzo do, that is my brother. If it's a woman, you say ntuzo pa, my sister. So this one, it doesn't depend on age, no matter who they are, whether younger or senior. Yeah, your tuzo pa or your tuzo do. Your tuzo pa is sister and tuzo do is brother. Then in Dagbani also, we have different vocals for uncles and aunties, and this is pertaining to whether they are from your father's side or they are from your mother's side. If they are from your father's side, you have different ways to call your uncles and your aunties. And if they are from your mother's side, your mother's brothers or your mother's sisters, we have a different way to call them. So if your uncle is older than your father, we don't say uncle, we say bapyama. Bapyama, that is my father's elder brother. My father's elder brother, that is your senior father. And if it is your father's junior brother, you say bapra, bapra. That is your father's junior brother, bapra. And if it is your father's sister, whether senior or junior, you say perba, perba. That is your auntie. And in Dagbani, your father's brothers and sisters are your parents. Your uncles is directly your father. That's why I say Bapyama, senior father, Bapara, junior father, and Perba is your auntie. And if it's from your mother's side, we say your mother's brother, whether junior or senior, you say Ngaba, Ngaba. So Ngaba, my uncle from your mother's side. If it is your mother's senior sister, you say Mapyama, Mapyama, Ma, Pyama, that's his mother. Pyama is elder, so Mapyama, your mother's elder sister. And if it is your mother's junior sister, you say Mapra, Mapra, your mother's junior sister. It's the same way it applies to the father's side. Your mother's side, the sisters are regarded as your mother. They are regarded as your mother. And your grandfather is your Yebdo in Yaba. You can say in Yaba, but to be more specific, you say Yebdo, that's for your grandfather. And for your grandmother, you say yepa, yepa. That is for your grandmother. And for them, your grandparents, they'll say you are their younger. So that is a grandchild is younger. And if you are many, you say yansi. So this is what we have for you for today. So you now know how to say your uncles and aunties from the mother side and from the father side. You know how to call your grandfather and your grandmother in Dagbani. Continue learning them, use them frequently, and you get to it will come easy to you. It will come easy to you. So if you enjoy this lesson, you can like and share it. And if you have any, if you know of any term that is in relation to family relationship, you can comment in the comment section and we all learn together. Thank you for watching and see you next time.